has made herself at home on her last day, so I've told her I'm going to give her a job to do, as it's a miserable day outside and it's grim, to be honest, isn't it? So what I've done is I've volunteered her to help me put the trim on the lampshades. We did a vote and it was 99% with the trim, and I think only one person actually says without the trim, but you can clearly see here when you put the lamps in the room with the furniture, it really does need that gold trim around the edge. So I'm going to get Rebecca to help me do that. Thinking the next major job could possibly be the hallway. As you know, Adrian has to replace some of the joists underneath this floor. Until he starts the job, he's not going to know how bad it is. It's a huge job because it just carries on up and up and up. But if we could get the main hallway sorted, it would make it far more welcoming to people when they come around, and to us when we come home at the end of the day, because it's a very dark, dingy hallway. Come in from the front door, you are faced with the salon doors, and this is the centre of the hallway. We put up a temporary chandelier when we moved in. Obviously there's going to need one that's a lot bigger than that. But you can see the condition of the ceiling. On first glances, it is just dirt, but if you look closer, there's a lot of flaky paint. So more work than originally anticipated. The woodwork is all flaky. And this is looking left when you come in the front door. As you can see, it's really dark. We have to the right, the doors to the dining room. To the left, the toilet. And to the right, this dark, dingy space is to the kitchen. Now, it's our proposition to take out the top panel of that door and put glass in there to make it a lot brighter down this hallway. As you can see, there's huge sections of this original paper left here, but it is falling away. And in fact, when we first moved in, some of it was falling so badly from the staircase that we had to take it down and dispose of it. If I turn around, you can see down to the other end of the corridor, or the hallway. You have the fake doors on the left-hand side to the salon, and down to the end where Adrian insists on keeping the shutters closed for draft. I, on the other hand, am always opening them up. You then have the door on the left-hand side to the kitchen. So we think this should be the next project. It's a big one. It's going to take some time. And Adrian has to start with the floor. There's an awful lot of woodwork here. All the arches are wooden, all the panelling, and all this flaky paint Some of it comes off really easily, and then you get the really stubborn bits. It is a huge job, but we think possibly this is the next job to do. I, however, have no idea, apart from keeping some of the paper, of any designs that I want here. So we're looking for some inspiration from people who watch, our subscribers. If we can incorporate the paper somehow, that would be fantastic. Obviously all this floor has to be, possibly has to come up. Adrian's going to check it from underneath first. If you look closely, you can see that the wallpaper is of Impressions de Landy, Le Chasse Louis XV. I haven't actually looked up this paper on the internet yet to see how old it is, but we're going to try and keep some of this as a feature wall or possibly in a frame. Everybody loves this, and it would be a real shame to get rid of all of it. So as you can see, the walls here are not very pleasant. I've tackled some of them upstairs when they've been like this, and it's a case of just scrubbing away with bleach, sugar soap, but it is a long process because they are so bad and dirty.
We're on our trip to Caen. We stopped at Pecan. We know you lot like pecans, so Carol's just noticed this unit, which this chair, which would be great for a bedroom. There's a lot of stuff in here. Anyhow, I'm going to wander through. Hopefully I won't go too fast, and you can hopefully see all the items. Now we saw a unit next door, which I'll pop back and maybe video that, which goes with this, which I think is lovely, really is. Just looking to see how much. So that unit there is €350. Oh, there's a tapestry. Did you see that, Carol? Wow. Bad frame either. Yeah, we've got like 5 minutes spare. We just saw this and thought we'd quickly come in, and now feel like we could spend a long time here, so I might have to come back. So we're just literally outside Con and came across another one, didn't we, darling?
I saw something online before we got here that I thought, oh, the hallway.
The hallway. I like actually the grand piano, but let's have a look. Don't look up. Now, would that work in the hallway? To me, no, it's too modern. It doesn't look right.
Good size.
But correct, it's a good size. That's the sort of thing, maybe that's a bit OTT we're looking for in the hallway. Sorry, not in the hallway, in the stairway. At least you can see a lot of the stuff in here. It's well laid out.
This is what I saw online, but it is nowhere near as nice as the one that we saw.
Yeah, over at...
But this is only a fraction of the price, so you pay for what you get.
Yeah, but that one we saw over at Clé de Tom, or close to there, was nice. Oh wow, look at the detail on this. My word. You found any one-legged tables?
No, I found this nice ball stand though.
That looks very similar to the one we saw in Gare.
It is, but this one's complete. That had a hook missing, but that one is complete.
That one's 240 euros, the one in Gare was 70. I'll live with the missing hook. Well, by chance we come across another Bacont. I was determined to find another table should I say, to match the one Sue gave us for the salon, which has proven really difficult. As we just saw this one down the road from where we've just been, we thought we might as well pop in and have a look.
Oh, come and look at this.
Bebo.
Look at what I found.
I spy my little... What you just found?
Unfortunately, not a pocket full of cash.
No, I was just saying you're still looking for your round table.
Look at the shape of this beautiful chair. I'd call it a snuggler.
I'd call it a dog bed. It is, isn't it?
Fabric, I'd let the dog on it, yes.
Yeah.
Imagine that in a different fabric. That'd be really nice. That's 2 sofas we've seen today.
Okay, and
There's no
the
price
right...
on it.
Oh, there's no price. I was going to say, at the right price, could you refabricate it? You're
Let's
clear.
see, if there's no price, you can't afford it. This is nice. There's a price on this. I still can't afford it.
We'll take a price off another thing and put it on that one.
Oh wow. I didn't
Oh
expect
my
that.
word. Oh, that's actually quite nice. I don't like the top
I
of
don't
it.
like that.
Don't you? Oh, I don't like the top.
That's really nice.
Anyhow, we haven't got anywhere for that to go.
No, I'm still hunting, I may have found a table. Oh. I don't like the marble on it.
I'll wrap some vinyl around it.
Yeah, I know you would.
I would. I'll wrap it. You'll never know. I'll put some white marble on it.
I wonder how much that is. We might have to do a deal on that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that.
What, just have a frame? Great table, that'll be then. How much are you prepared to pay for that?
That much.
About that much. So there's a label down here that says 25 euros. Could we just pop that on there? Isn't that the English thing?
That's your way.
There's only one way. It's my way. Well, we just got back from swimming with Zach, and what have you here?
Parcel on the doorstep.
A box.
Flowers. I can't enter. And it's not even my birthday. Oh, beautiful.
Is it a plant or cut flowers or?
It's a bouquet of roses.
Oh wow!
I know. Oh, I'm making the right picture.
How do you know they're for you and maybe not for me?
My name on them.
Oh, okay.
But we need to find a label to find out who they're from. I love roses. And pink ones, maybe. Oh, there's no card.
We're going to have to do some detective work, are we?
Someone's got to own up to sending me flowers. Anyway, whoever it was, I'm going to keep hunting for a card. Thank you so very much. They're beautiful. And in my favourite colour too, pink.
They'll go well in here.
Love pink roses.
There you go. Right then, Miss Clouseau.
I found it. Happy Easter cushions. Cheers, Kirk. Oh, thank you.
Oh,
Kirk.
good
That's
old
the second time Kirk sent me flowers. Well, flowers, and I've got a rose in the garden as
Read
well.
it again, because it didn't say Carol cushion, it said
It
cushions.
says Carol on the box.
That doesn't matter. I like to think that he sent that to all of us.
Thank you very much, Kirk. They're beautiful. Thank you.